Hi! In front of me is TCL for TSE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above. And pick a date. When you're ready, you need to select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day, select does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Then you can also add location over here, tap while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, change color, take notes, and even add attachments. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner, and making your changes. Then choose save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, choose those three dots at the top right corner, tap on delete, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!